student, welcome all of you. I am Sri Kushekar sir from Sri Sadguru Vidyalay Dulgaon Gada, Taluka Daun. Today we are going to see 10th textbook, unit number 2, poem number 3, The Twins. आज आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या पुस्तकामध्ये युनिट नंबर 2 मधील तिसरी कविता द ट्विन्स ही कविता पाहणार आहोत. We have already seen the summary of the poem. So now we are going to see the detailed explanation of the poem. आपण यापूर्वीच या कवितेची समरी पाहिलेली आहे, तेव्हा आपण आता या कवितेचं सखोल असं स्पष्टीकरण पाहूया. So you open your book, keep this book in front of you, see in the book. तुम्ही तुमच्या समोर पुस्तक ठेवा, ते उघडा and see page number 58. पुस्तक उघडा आणि पान नंबर 58 पहा. The Twins. The poem is composed by Henry S. Lee. ही कविता हेनरी एस ली या कवीने लिहिलेली आहे. Before going to the poem, you see that how many stanzas are there? There are 4 stanzas. Now try to count how many lines are there in each stanza. एकाच कवितेमध्ये 4 स्टांजा आहेत. प्रत्येक स्टांजामध्ये किती ओळी आहेत मोजा. You see that there are 8 lines in each and every stanza. So there are 32 lines in this stanza. So in this poem, the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B A B C D C D. This is the rhyme scheme. Who is the speaker of this poem? The speaker of this poem is the poet himself, because in this poem the poet tells us a very comic incident about his twins life. या कवितेमध्ये कवी आपल्याला अतिशय गमतीदार अशा त्यांच्या जुळेपणाचा अनुभव आपल्याला सांगत आहे. Now see the title of the poem, The Twins. What is the meaning of the twins? It means that the 2 babies born at the same time to same mother. एकाच आईला एकाच वेळेस झालेली 2 मुलं, that is called twins. 2 babies born at same time to same mother. एकाच आईला एकाच वेळी झालेली 2 मुलं यांना आपण जुळी मुलं असे म्हणतो. And you see that these twins make a lot of confusions in life. Why? Because they are not identified by the poet, by the people, and such things are happen in poet's life. हे जुळेपणा लोकांना गोंधळात टाकतो आणि असेच प्रसंग कवीच्या जीवनामध्ये घडलेले आहेत. हिअर द पोएट टेल्स अस दॅट इन्सिडेंट. नाउ सी फर्स्ट stanza. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother. Poet said, how does he born? The poet born as a twin with his brother. He said, form and feature, face and limb, they were similar to each other. कवी सांगतोय की मी माझ्या भावाप्रमाणे जुळा जन्माला आलो, पण आमच्यामध्ये इतकी सिमिलॅरिटी होती, सारखेपणा होता इन फॉर्म अँड फीचर, फेस अँड लिप. आमचा रंग, आकार, चेहरेपट्टी, हात पाय म्हणजेच एकंदरीत सगळं शरीर हे कसं होतं, एकसारखं होतं. कवी सांगतोय आय ग्रीव सो लाईक माय ब्रदर, मी माझ्या भावासारखाच जन्माला आलो. हिअर इन द फर्स्ट लाईन there is a figure of speech. Which is the figure of speech in the first line? Form and feature, face and lip. ठीक है? Here the letter F is repeated, so there is a alliteration. म्हणून या ठिकाणी कोणता figure of speech आहे? Alliteration नावाचा figure of speech आहे. You see that the next, the folks got taking me for him in the third line. You understand the meaning of form and feature. Form and feature means structure or appearance, ranga roop akar. Next, that folks got taking me for him. What is the meaning of folks? You see the new words in this poem. What is the meaning of folks? Folks means people. Bro, that folks got taking me for him. Here the meaning of taking means mistake. या ठिकाणी taking या शब्दाचा अर्थ mistake, चूक किंवा चुकून असा घ्यायचा आहे. You see that the question is that what did the people make mistake? People, folk. What did the people make mistake? लोक कोणती चूक करायची? The people made mistake. The poet for his brother and his brother for poet. लोक कवीलाच त्याचा भाऊ समजायचे आणि कवीच्या भावाला कवी समजायचे. कळलं का? काय? That folks got taking me for him and he for me. याचा अर्थ असा की लोक हे मला माझा भाऊ समजायचे आणि माझ्या भावाला मी समजायचे. It puzzled our Keith and Keens. Keith and Keen. What is the meaning of Keith and Keen? The meaning of the word is that relatives. So the very simple question is that there, who puzzled because of the twinness? Who puzzled because of the twinness? The answer is Keith and Keen. बरोबर? कुणाचा गोंधळ व्हायचा या सारखेपणामुळे? Who born as a twins? The poet and his brother. How did they born as a twins? ते जुळे म्हणून कसे जन्माला आले? इन फॉर्म अँड फीचर, फेस अँड लिप. रंग, रूप, आकार, शरीर या सर्वांच्या मध्ये त्यांच्यामध्ये काय होता? सारखेपणा होता. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी इट पझल्ड. इट या शब्दाचा अर्थ इथं असा अर्थ आहे ट्विन्स, ट्विननेस हा जुळेपणा. सिमिलॅरिटी, पझल्ड मीन्स कन्फ्यूज, गोंधळणे. इथं सरप्राईज असा अर्थ घेतला तरी चालतंय. लोक गोंधळून जायचे का? कोण? हू पझल्ड? कीथ अँड कीन, देअर रिलेटिव्स. माझे नातेवाईक सुद्धा गोंधळायचे. इट रीच अ फेअरफुल पीच. इट रीच अ फेअरफुल पीच. व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पीच? दिलाय पहा तिथं मार्जिन मध्ये अर्थ दिलेला आहे. पीच मीन्स लिमिट और हाईट. What reach a fearful limit? What reach a fearful limit? The twinness or the similarity, the confusion because of the twinness reach the fearful limit. आणि या सारखेपणाचा गोंधळ एका अतिशय भीतीदायक मर्यादेपर्यंत जाऊन पोहोचला असायचा. नेक्स्ट लाईन द पोएट सेड, For one of us was born as a twin. हे का घडत होतं? Why did the people and relative puzzle? लोक आणि नातेवाईक का गोंधळ होते? Because they born as a twin. They were born as a twin, very similar with the form and feature, face and limb. You see that here is a question: in what aspect were the brother alike each other? In what aspect were brother alike to each other? कोणत्या बाजूनं हे दोन भाऊ एकमेकाशी सारखे होते? The answer is very simple. Which are the aspect they were very similar? Alike means similar. Form and feature, face and limb. काय सांगितलंय? For one of us was born a twin. So the people were, so the kith and kin were, so the relatives were puzzled. 8. Not a soul knew which. 8. Not a soul. S-O-U-L. Soul. इथं soul या शब्दाचा अर्थ इंडिव्हिज्युअल पीपल असा घ्यायचा आहे. कळलं का? इथं सोल याचा अर्थ आत्मा असा अर्थ घ्यायचा नाही. सोलचा अर्थ घ्यायचा आहे इंडिव्हिज्युअल पीपल. इवन द इंडिव्हिज्युअल पीपल डिड नॉट नो हू वॉज विच. एक साधा माणूस सुद्धा ओळखू शकत नव्हता की कोण कोणता. हू वॉज विच मीन्स हू वॉज द पोएट अँड हू वॉज द पोएट्स ब्रदर. बिकॉज दे टूक द पोएट फॉर हिज ब्रदर अँड हिज ब्रदर फॉर पोएट. How did the people make mistake? The people made mistake. They took the poet for his brother and his brother for poet. लोक कशी चूक करायचे? They took the poet for his brother and his brother for poet. लोक कवीच्या भावाला कवी समजायचे आणि कवीला कवीचा भाऊ समजायचे. Now see, what are the general questions in this stanza? Find out the figure of speech in this stanza. Alliteration. कुठं कुठं आहे? Form and feature, face and limb. बरोबर. It puzzle all our kith and kin. Kith and kin. The letter K, K. हे repeat झालंय. So इथं काय आहे? Kith and kin. There is also pun. श्लेष अलंकार सुद्धा आहे. काय? 8. Not a soul knew which. Here is a pun. बरोबर. Now the very short question: who made a mistake because of the twins? Folk means people made mistake. Who puzzled because of twinness? Kith and kins means relative. What is the meaning of kith and kin? Relative. Why did a similarity or twinness reach a fearful pitch? Or because they born a twin. Now see, you understand the meaning in this stanza. Now let's see the next stanza. You see what are the new words in the next stanza. या नेक्स्ट stanza मध्ये कोणकोणते नवीन शब्द आहेत? Very first you see matter, then verse, then decrease, fate, whim, Christian. These are the new words. And we will see the meaning of these new words. Now see the second stanza. One day to make a matter worse. What did the poet say? You know that who is the speaker? Who is the narrator of this poem? The narrator of this poem, the poet himself. In the first stanza, the poet tells about how did the people, how did the individual, how did the relatives puzzle. You see again in the first stanza, द क्वेश्चन मे बी आस्क्ड, असाही प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो की या कवितेमध्ये तुम्हाला प्रश्न असा विचारला असतो, लिस्ट द वर्ड्स विच मेन्शन ॲज अ पीपल. या स्टांजामध्ये असे शब्द निवडा की ते पीपल या अर्थाचा उल्लेख करतात. मग त्याच्यामध्ये पहिलं काय, ट्विन, फोक, कीथ अँड कीन, सोल, दीज वर्ड शोज द पीपल. हे सगळे शब्द पीपल या अर्थाने वापरले. नाऊ द सेकंड स्टांजा, वन डे टू मेक अ मॅटर वर्स. मॅटर मीन्स सब्जेक्ट और इश्यू. वर्स मीन्स very bad, very serious. Poet say, one day the matter of twinness, हा जुळेपणाचा विषय, it become very serious, it become very bad. हा जुळेपणाचा आमचा विषय अतिशय गंभीर झाला. बरोबर. हाऊ, नेक्स्ट लाईन, पोएट से, before our names were fixed. The question, when did the matter become worse? When did the matter become worse? The answer is before their name were fixed. Before their name were fixed. त्यांची नावं ठेवण्यापूर्वीच विषय अतिशय गंभीर झाला. So the question is that how did the matter become worse? प्रश्न नीट समजून घ्या. When did the matter become worse? Before their name were fixed. How did the matter become? The matter become very bad, very serious, worse. What is the opposite of word worse? The opposite of word worse is best. असा एक प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो. Write down the opposite of worse. तुम्हाला उत्तर द्यावं लागेल, best. How did the matter become worse? हे आपल्याला पाहिजे. When did the matter become worse? Before their name were fixed. Now see the next line. As we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. कवी सांगतोय, पहा उत्तर कळलं आपल्याला आता. How did matter become worse? We got completely mixed. आमची पूर्णतः आदलाबदल झाली. When they were being washed by nurse. जेव्हा ती दाई, ती नर्स आम्हाला आंघोळ घालत होती, त्यावेळेस आमची पूर्णपणे आदलाबदल झाली. Who were being washed by nurse? The two twins were being washed by nurse. And what happened at that time? काय झालं त्यावेळेस? They got completely mixed. ते पूर्णपणे काय झाले? त्यांची आदलाबदल झाली. प्रश्न असाही विचारा, when did they get completely mixed? ते पूर्णपणे कधी आदलाबदल झाली त्यांची? When they were being washed by nurse. So here is the incident happened in the hospital. ह्या दुसऱ्या स्टांजामधला जो इन्सिडेंट आहे तो दवाखान्यामध्ये घडलेला आहे. काय घडलं? They were being washed by nurse. नर्स करून त्यांना आंघोळ घातली जात होती. At that time they got completely mixed. ते पूर्णपणे त्यांची आदलाबदल झाली. And the matter become very worse. आणि तो विषय अतिशय गंभीर झाला. Why? पुढच्या दोन ओळीमध्ये कवी सांगतोय, पहा. And what is the reason? The poet said by himself. स्वतः सांगतोय, the reason of the matter becoming worse. हा विषय गंभीर होण्याचं कारण कवी सांगतोय, पहा. काय? And thus you see by the fate's decrees. Fate. What is the meaning of fate? Fate means destiny. D-E-S-T-I-N-Y. दैव. Decree. Decree means order. कवी सांगतोय, we got completely mixed. Why? आमची पूर्णपणे आदलाबदल झाली. When? कधी? When we were being washed by nurse. म्हणजे when they were being washed by nurse. लिहिताना असं लिहायचंय. When they were being washed by nurse. जेव्हा त्यांना नर्स कडून आंघोळ घातली जात होती. They got completely mixed. Why? The reason is that fate's decrees. कवी सांगतोय दैवाचा आदेश. And the another reason is that rather nurses whim. Whim. What is the meaning of whim? Whim means the sudden change in mind. दुसरं कारण कवी सांगतोय because of the nurses whim. Now you understand the reason. What is the reason they got completely mixed? ते पूर्णपणे त्यांची अदलाबदल झाली. याचं कारण काय? एक because of the fate's decree means the order of destiny. And what is the second reason? Because of the nurses whim. दैवाचा आदेश किंवा त्या नर्सचा लहरीपणा यांच्यामुळे आमची काय झाली? अदलाबदल झाली. And we got completely mixed. And what is the disadvantage of this? याचा परिणाम काय झाला? What is the result of? They were being got completely mixed. ते पूर्णपणे मिक्स झाले. याचा परिणाम काय झाला? The poet said, my brother John got Christian me and I got Christian him. They got completely mixed. Why? ते पूर्णपणे मी परत रिपीट करतोय. They got completely mixed. Why? का बरं ते पूर्णपणे मिक्स झाले? Because of fate decrees, the order of destiny. शब्दांचा अर्थ लक्षात ठेवा. What is the meaning of fate? Destiny, दैव. What is the meaning of decree? Order, आदेश. Because of the order of destiny. And what is the second reason? Because of the nurses whim. Whim. What is the meaning of whim? Sudden change in mind. त्या नरच्या मनामधील असणारा गोंधळ किंवा लहरीपणा आणि दैवाचा आदेश याच्यामुळे आम्ही मिक्स झालो. अँड व्हॉट इज द रिझल्ट ऑफ दॅट? त्याचा परिणाम असा झाला, माय ब्रदर जॉन मीन्स पोएट ब्रदर जॉन गॉट ख्रिश्चन पोएट. माझ्या भावाला माझं नाव ठेवलं गेलं. म्हणजे कवी म्हणतो कवीच्या भावाला हे कवीचं नाव ठेवलं गेलं. अँड आय गॉट ख्रिश्चन हिम. आणि मला त्याचं नाव ठेवलं गेलं. म्हणजे माझा भाऊ जॉन याला माझं नाव ठेवलं गेलं अँड मला त्याचं नाव ठेवलं ख्रिश्चन. ख्रिश्चन मीन्स द नेमिंग सेरेमनी, नाव ठेवण्याचा कार्यक्रम. बरोबर? दॅट इज हॅपन इन द हॉस्पिटल. हे त्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये घडले. व्हॉट इज द सीन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल? दे गॉट completely mixed. They were being watched by nurse. The matter become worse. Poet said it is happened because of the fate decrees or the nurses whim, and the result is that poet got his brother's name and his brother John got poet's name. Now see what are the question on this stanza. आता या स्टांजावरचे प्रश्न काय? पहा, पहिला प्रश्न आहे, when did the matter become worse? When did the matter become worse? The answer is very simple. Before name were fixed. The matter become worse before name were fixed. Write the opposite of worse. Best. What is the opposite of worse? Best. Then who were being watched by nurse? Both twins, the poet and his brother, were being watched by nurse. Then how did matter become worse? How did matter become worse? The poet got his brother's name and his brother John poet's name. In this way the matter become worse. When did the twins get completely mixed? The twins got completely mixed when they were being watched by nurse. What reason did the poet give about their got mixed? The poet gave the reason they got completely mixed because the fate's decrees means order of destiny, and the second reason is nurses whim. What is the meaning of the word fate? The meaning of the word fate is destiny. D-E-S-T-I-N-Y. What is the meaning of word decree? It means that order. What is the meaning of word whim? It means that sudden change in mind. What is the meaning of word Christian? It means that a naming ceremony. अर्थ दिलेला आहे का त्याचा? What did the poet get Christian? the poet got Christian his brother's name. What did the poet brothers get Christian? The poet brother got Christian the poet's name. In this way, there are 4 stanzas, but very first in the part 1, we completed the half poem only with the 2 stanzas. Try to understand the poem, listen again and again, try to solve the question that I have given here.